I'm going to walk you through. This is a 12-foot version of the National Tree Company. This is my second year with this tree. They come in sections. Each section is labeled, and these are very high quality. You have to, they all have these little metal, uh, flexible, each branch, so you just have to peel them out and, fluff them up, so to speak, to fill in all the gaps. When they ship this way, they're all folded down. It comes in one big box. What I've been doing is putting the lights on each section as I build it. This is where it gets a little more tricky. So this is section 4. We're getting up there. Now I'm only working off a 6-foot ladder, so taller ladder would make this easier. But you just line it up in the hole. Once you get it in, you really can't spin them. They lock in. So, I just fill out the gaps. Pretty simple. But the quality, I'm telling you, the quality is there. It stays, it holds its shape. Here I go, putting the topper on. I already put the star on it. Now that's a square hole at the very top. So you got to get that lined up, try to get it pushed down. And then same thing, just start to fill in the gaps. Here I am plugging in the star right now. Then I got try to get it to sit straight. But, it's strong. The tree is definitely strong. So now we're up over 12 feet tall, and we just kind of finish it off. I got to get another set of lights across the top here. But take a look. This is it, pretty much finished. Still got a few ornaments to put on it, but they are just beautiful trees. It does include the base, and that base is, as you can tell, is plenty strong to hold up this tree. I mean, it is very heavy.